Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now as it's autumn, I feel it's time I should be making a ubiquitous pumpkin recipe, so today I'm doing a sticky pumpkin tray bake. So first of all, I am going to take a small pumpkin that I've already peeled and de-seeded and just going to cut it up into bite-sized chunks. About this size. You can vary the sizes. Now I'm saying it's a pumpkin tray bake, it's actually pumpkin and sweet potato tray bake, plus other veg, as you will see. And with that done, I'm going to place all the pieces into a large bowl. Then taking two sweet potatoes, two medium-sized sweet potatoes, and I'm going to cut them up into similar-sized chunks. And again, just plop them into that bowl. Next, I'm going to take two red peppers, chopped up, again similar size, and one large red onion, cut into about eighths. I think it'll probably break up in the tray, but that doesn't matter. Now it's time to make I suppose you could call it a marinade. Into this I'm putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar of your choice. I'm using some organic apple cider vinegar, but you can use whatever you want. 3 teaspoons of runny honey, the equivalent of 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, whatever. A good pinch of salt, and of course some freshly crushed black pepper. Mix it all together. And we're going to take our bowl with all our ingredients and pour our little mixture in, and make sure all the vegetables are coated in that lovely, sticky, gooey, tasty marinade. Give it a good stir, give it a good mix around. Look at those colours, very autumnal, no? And then get a baking dish, preferably in better condition than mine. I really need to buy a new one. Scrape as much of that marinade onto the vegetables as we can. Mix it up around the dish. Then I'm going to place it in an oven at about 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I am going to make a wee sauce to drizzle over the vegetables. So I'm using 250 milliliters of plain yogurt, natural yogurt, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, hot sauce. Just going to mix them both in. Those wonderful colours. With that done, I'm going to put it to one side. Next, I'm going to pour about half a tablespoon of olive oil into a frying pan and add a good handful of pumpkin seeds. Now the idea here is just to brown these pumpkin seeds, and when they cool they become deliciously crunchy, crispy and packed full of flavour. Just keep them turning. We don't want to actually burn them, but just let them turn brown. When it gets to something like this, then put them to one side and let them cool. After 25 minutes, I've taken the vegetables out of the oven and I'm just going to give them a quick stir, move them around, and put the tray back into the oven for another 25 minutes. And after 50 minutes, this is what they should look like. Look at that flesh, nice and charred, burnt bits on the ends, absolutely gorgeous, packed full of flavour. So now we drizzle over our little yogurt and sriracha sauce and then sprinkle over some of these crunchy, tasty pumpkin seeds. Finish it off with some freshly chopped parsley, and the dish is done. A wonderful, wonderful tray bake for autumn. Now you can serve this as it is, or you can have it with meat. The choice is yours. Thanks again for watching. If you did like this video, please consider subscribing. If you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in the future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all soon.